सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने जय। नमन हूँ करूँ विश्व पाड़ने, कर गरी कहूँ भक्ति बाड़ने। One of Kaka's most favorite kirtans. Every time he used to sing this, it used to be full of emotions, intense love, expressing to God to help him face the troubles of life, not the material troubles, but the spiritual troubles, to help him overcome the spiritual ignorance which has caused him separation with the Almighty, expressing to him that may this birth be the last birth and I am missing you, I want more of you, I want to have more and more immersion in you, I want to feel more and more oneness with you, I want to do justice to the kind of intense unconditional love that you have for me by loving you back with the same intensity. This kirtan is like going to God as a sounding board, venting to him our feelings, our emotional disturbances, and eventually telling him that he is the spiritual answer to all our emotional ups and downs. नमन हूँ करूँ विश्व पाड़ने, कर गरी कहूँ भक्ति बाढ़ने। अरज म्हारी ऊर्मा धरो, विपद मारी श्री हरि हरो। अवर आशरो माहरे नथी, सर्व जानो छो शू कहूँ कथी। कठण काळ मा आप छो धणी, सुखद श्यामड़ा मुक्त नामणी। अमर नापति आश थारी, रसिक राख जो लाज मारी। रसिक राख जो लाज मारी। प्रणय पाड़ छो सर्वना प्रभु, दीन दयाड़ छो विश्वना विभु। विमल मूर्ति उर्मा धरो, नजर थी प्रभु दूर ना खसो। अधिक त्रास ने तोड़ी नाख जो, नारायण दास ने पास राख जो। नारायण दास ने पास राख जो। I bow down to you, हे विश्वपाड, O creator of this world. कर गरी कहूँ, I have come to vent out to you. Who am I venting out to? Bhakti Bad, the son of Bhakti Mata, Sahajanand Swami, is whom I am venting out to. Araj Mari Urma Dharo. Please take this prayer to your heart. Please listen to me, not just with your ears, but with your soul, with your heart. Vipad Mari Shri Hari Haro. This problem, this obstacle, this vulnerability that I am facing, please eradicate that from my life. Avar asharo mahare nathi. I don't have any other place to go to, any other person to go to. You are the only one where I will find solace, because wherever I go, somehow nobody understands me, nobody relates to me, nobody resonates with me as much as you do. कठण काल मा आप छो धणी, in this difficult time. I'm feeling lonely, and you are the only one who can help me or bail me out of this situation. You are my dhani, you are my pati, you are my soulmate. Sukhad Shamada Mukta Namani. You are the source of all happiness, and I am far from feeling happiness in life. I've forgotten what happiness is, and I don't know why, in spite of having you and having everything that you have blessed me with, I'm still empty. What is this emptiness that I am feeling? What is this vulnerability that I'm feeling? But I know that you are the source of all happiness, and you will satiate me. Hey Muktanamani, you are a necklace full of pearls. Each of the pearl is a liberated soul that has come back to you, reunited with you. And I also want to join that necklace. I also want to be a pearl on your chest. Amaranapati Ashathari. You are eternal, and hence I am coming to you. You are the only permanent thing, and hence I am coming to you. Rasikarak jo laaj mari. Don't let me down, please. I am coming with a lot of faith and hope. Pranay pad cho sarvana Prabhu. You are the caretaker, the guardian of all souls, including me. Deen Dayal cho Vishwana Prabhu. You are Deen Dayal. You have a lot of compassion for the poor, and I am spiritually poor, and I need your compassion. Vimal Murti Urma Dharo Najarathi Prabhu Durna Thasho. Don't go away from me ever. Don't leave me, don't abandon me, don't give up on me. I know I don't live up to you, but don't lose hope on me. I will put in the right efforts. I will spiritually seek you with authenticity. I will obey and abide by all your rules, all your guidances. But please never be naraz with me, never resent me, and never make me away from you. अधिक त्रास ने तोड़ी नाखजो, नारायण दास ने पास राखजो. Please relieve me of this vulnerability that I am feeling, and just keep me very close to you. That's the only place where I find solace. हररयो प्रभु सहाय तो करो, जगत जाड़ थी मुक्त तो करो. जगत जाड़ मां आवियो फसी, ज्ञान ध्यान थी मन गयूं खसी. मन मस्तानु मानतू नथी, स्थिर शांति मां आवतू नथी. हवे ओ प्रभु शू करिए अमो, माने बाप तो एक छो तमो. तुझ चरण मां आविने नमो. कृपा करो प्रभु क्या सुधी भमु. विश्व विहारी जी सुख सर्वदा, आपो स्नेह थी टाड़ी आपदा. अरे ओ प्रभु, आई एम कॉलिंग आउट टू यू ओ लॉर्ड, प्लीज लिसन टू मी. सहाय तो करो, हेल्प मी. जगत जाड़ थी, फ्रॉम दिस केज ऑफ cycles of birth and death. मुक्त तो करो, लिबरेट मी. जगत जाड़ मां आवियो फसी, ज्ञान ध्यान थी मन गयो खसी. From the time that I have taken this human birth, I am filled with ignorance and darkness in life. I am trapped in the illusions of life, in the material traps of life. I have forgotten Gyan, Atma Gyan, my real identity. I believe I'm this body, this mind, these emotions, but I'm actually the soul, the spirit, your child. I've become so distracted that I can't meditate now. ધ્યાનથી મન ગયું ખસી, મન મસ્તાનું માનતું નથી. The mind has become restless, chanchal, and it is not obeying my commands. It is not in my hands. It gets disturbed, it gets affected. સ્થિર શાંતિમાં આવતું નથી. I lose this peace, I lose the stillness, I lose calm, composure. I give in to the challenges of life. હવે ઓ પ્રભુ શું કરીએ અમો, માને બાપ તો એક છો તમો. You are my mother, you are my father. I'm not able to handle things. I need your help. I'm asking for your help. Please guide me. You are my mentor, you are my well-wisher. तुझ चरणમાં આવીને નમો, કૃપા કરો પ્રભુ ક્યાં સુધી ભમો. I'm tired of running around. I'm tired of trying to find that constant eternal peace, bliss, love, happiness. I feel unloved, I feel unhappy, I feel disturbed. All of this keeps happening to me. Most of us seekers are emotionally very vulnerable, and through these ups and downs of life it is easy to get lost. We constantly seek support, we constantly seek that resonance in which the soul vibrates at a frequency which makes us feel happy and high. But when we don't feel like that, we are going back to our father, our mother. God, what are you trying to tell me? What do I need to learn? What is the lesson you want me to internalize? तुझ चरणમાં આવીને નમું. I'm surrendering to you. Please do whatever you want to do unto me. But કૃપા કરો પ્રભુ, ક્યાં સુધી ભમું? How long can I take this? How long can I go through this? Have some mercy on me. Have some compassion. Hold me. Let this trouble end. I am not going to resist the lesson you want me to learn. I'm not going to argue or debate with you. I'm not going to justify or explain my actions or intents. I'm ready to do as you say, live as you say, follow whatever you say. Hey Vishwavihari Ji, Sukh Sarvada. Hey Creator, make me experience that state of liberated bliss in which the Sukh does not see ups and downs. And I'm asking you to be there with me with a lot of love. Apo snehathi tali apada. Be with me and let us together as a team overcome this situation, this circumstance, this apada. हरे ओ प्रभु काज आ करो, दुख वियोगनु दिल માં ધરો. તમ વિનાયમો દુખિયાતી, તમ વિના નથી અન્ય રે ગતિ. કદાપી હે હરી કઠણ શું થયા, દિલ થકી અરે શું તજી દયા. જળ વિના જુઓ મચ્છતર ફળે, तुझ वियोग थी दुख बहु पड़े. कठण छातड़ी नथी ज फाटती, घड़ी घड़ी अरे मुंजाय छे मती. सकल विश्वना जीवन रूप छो, भुवन कोटिना आप भूप छो. विश्व विहारी जी सुख सर्वदा, आपो स्नेहथी टाળી આપદા. આપો સ્નેહથી ટાળી આપદા. અરે ઓ પ્રભુ, આઈ એમ કોલિંગ યુ અગેન. કાજ આ કરો, દુઃખ વિયોગનું દિલમાં ધરો. આર યુ એબલ ટુ survive this viraha, this separation from me? I am not able to survive this separation from you. I'm missing you a lot. Please take that into consideration. Without you, I am very dukhi. Tam vina mo dukhiya ati, tam vina nathi anya re gati. My life has halted. I see no direction. I'm stranded in the middle of the ocean. કદાપી હે હરી કઠણ શું થયા, દિલ થકી અરે શું તજી દયા. Have you lost mercy, compassion and love? Why are you leaving me in this situation to fight all by myself? Whatever lesson you want me to learn, I'm ready to learn. Now can't you just come by my side and help me calm down in this storm? જળ વિના જુઓ મચ્છ તરફડે, તુજ વિયોગથી દુઃખ બહુ પડે. Like a fish suffers without water. It feels claustrophobic, it feels breathless, it feels anxious, it feels afraid. That's the same feeling I am feeling without you. Vulnerability is a very dark space to be in, and I can't face this without you. तुझ वियोग थी दुख बहु पड़े. You are my eternal love, and separation from you, disconnection from you, makes my soul vulnerable. કઠણ છાતડી નથી જ ફાટતી, ઘડી ઘડી અરે મૂંઝાય છે મતી. I'm constantly anxious in every moment. And aren't you also feeling the pain of this? Are you able to see me like this? सकल विश्वना जीवन रूप छो. You are Jivan, you are soul food. You are the lifeline of every soul in this universe. Bhuvan kotina aap bhup cho. Not just of millions and billions of souls, but millions and billions of universes, and billions and billions of souls in all those universes belong to you, are your creation. How can you leave your child like this? Hey Vishwa Vihari ji, Sukh Sarvada. Please ensure that all of us seekers feel eternal bliss. And till we don't feel this, you face all the troubles, all the challenges, all the vulnerabilities, all the unhappiness, all the sorrow with us. At least there will be solace that you are facing it with me. And if you are by my side, I know I will win the war of Kurukshetra. But I need you by my side. Till this journey is over, till this test is over, till my examination, till this phase which is seeming like a mountain climb, humongous, which is seeming like the darkest place that I've been in, I need you to get through this. I'm not asking for any material pleasures. I'm not asking for any bondaging blessings. I'm not asking for anything temporary. All I am asking for is, if I have the purest intent, and if I have the purity that you want me to have, all I am seeking is to lead a pure life in which I can experience you, I can chant you, I can seek you. All I want is that you bless me with equanimity, spiritual and emotional. All I am asking is you bless me with that feeling of fulfillment and completeness, and not a hollow within me, not a vacuum within me that seems so scary, so lonely, in which I cannot face life. I'm tired of all the ups and downs and highs and lows of life, and I want to once and for all get liberated and salvated from this circle of life and death. Please help me in this mission and help me make this birth my last birth. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj.